Hi, welcome to the EaseUS channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to back up Google Chrome bookmarks. If you are one of the Chrome users, it's important to know how to back up its bookmarks. Now let's get started. This video will show two easy ways to back up Google Chrome bookmarks. The first way is to export Chrome bookmarks to HTML files manually. And you can also use a professional backup tool, EaseUS Todo Backup, to automatically save copies of Chrome bookmarks. Backing up your Chrome bookmarks is important to protect your privacy and security. It ensures you can access your bookmarks even if your browser crashes or is lost, stolen, or corrupted. Backing up Chrome data also helps recover Chrome bookmarks, histories, or favorites quickly without manually re-entering. Part 1. Manually export Chrome bookmarks HTML file to create a backup. Google Chrome provides a feature for users to back up and restore their bookmarks quickly in HTML format. You can also import the backup files whenever needed. Let's see how to export bookmarks to HTML file in detail. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Then click the three dots icon on the top right corner Bookmarks, Bookmark Manager. You can also press the Ctrl+Shift+O keys together to open Bookmarks Manager. Step 2. Click the three dots icon on the top right corner and choose Export Bookmarks. Step 3. Select a location where you want to put the HTML and give it a name. Finally, click Save. However, if using this method, you need to back up manually each time, which is very time-consuming. If you want to save time and find a much easier way, you can seek help from EaseUS Todo Backup. It supports automatic backup Chrome bookmarks and also comes with many advanced features to let you customize your backup plan as you like. EaseUS Todo Backup is a reliable backup software with an app backup feature that supports backing up Chrome bookmarks, passwords, extensions, history, and cookies with simple clicks. You can also set an automatic Chrome bookmarks backup with its scheduled backup function. The backup can be saved to various locations, like internal or external hard drives, network location security zone, and cloud, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and EaseUS Cloud. Download and get it from the EaseUS official website. Now, let's see how to use it to back up Chrome bookmarks. Step 1. Launch EaseUS Todo Backup and click the Create Backup button. Step 2. Choose Apps Data, and you can see Chrome is under the list. Extend it and choose a Chrome profile that you want to back up. You can see history, bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and cookies can all be backed up. Select Bookmarks and click OK. Step 3. Follow the arrow to select the destination where you want to save the backup. You can choose among Local Drive, EaseUS Cloud, Network, and Security Zone. Here I will save my backups on my desktop, then click OK. Step 4. Now, you've selected both the backup source and target location. If you want to set an automatic backup, click Options under the Scheme tab, choose a backup frequency based on needs, and click OK. Step 5. Click Backup now to start the task, and wait patiently for the task to complete. This is all about how to back up Chrome bookmarks. We have explained two ways to help you do it. You can choose to export bookmarks in an HTML file manually, or use EaseUS Todo Backup to save your bookmarks automatically. I strongly recommend EaseUS Todo Backup for its easy operation and scheduled backup feature. Subscribe to us if you like it.